Hello and welcome to this video. Last month I was searching the internet for a special and personal gift for someone close to me. That's when I came across lithophanes. Lithophanes are amazing. They come to life when you shine light through them. So I decided that a lithophane lamp would make a perfect gift. First, I designed a lamp that could hold the lithophanes. I sliced the design and printed the files using my 3D printer. While the body of the lamp was printing, I used the website, it's Litho, to create the lithophanes, which I also sliced and printed out. Next, it was time to solder the LED strips together in the right order so the lamp would work. I tested the lamp to make sure that everything was soldered correctly, and lucky for me, everything was working just fine. Finally, I glued everything in place to complete this project. And now, the finished product. And there you have it. A unique and personalized lithophane lamp that you can give as a gift or keep for yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want a detailed building video, let me know in the comments. Bye!